Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. So today I'm going to show you how to make a perfect round neckline without using any kind of linings, interfacings or bukrams. Any beginner can do that. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to cut the neckline on your main fabric and then take another piece of fabric, fold it from the middle and then put your neckline on top of that, then trace it, then remove your main fabric and then extend this neckline to 1.5 inches wider and then give another round neck design. Then you need to cut these two lines. So after cutting, this is what we get. Now we need to conceal the raw side, so you can either fold it half inch inside and give one single stitch, or you can overlock also. So here I am just giving a single stitch. Now this is the right side of my fabric and this is the wrong side of this strip. So just put it on to your neckline and give a stitch to attach it to your neck design. Now after attaching it to your main fabric, just give few slits and you need to put this strip to the wrong side of your fabric. So just keep this inside and even you can iron it to get a professional finishing. Now you need to attach this extra strip. So either you can give a top stitch. Here I am using this fusing tape to stick it. So just put this tape inside and you just need to give a hot iron here, and within few seconds you'll find that your strip got attached very easily. So if you don't have the matching thread to give a top stitch, you can use this method and give a professional finishing to your neck design. So from the front you can see how neat and clean and how professional your round neck design is looking, even if you are not having the perfect stitching behind. You can see from the front you get a very beautiful neck design, a perfect round shape without using any bukram. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you do, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.